Hi everyone, this is Deborah. Today I'm doing another challenge from Margarete Miller. It's challenge number 4 and I'll go through the things with you as we progress. But I've pulled out everything I need. I've just laid down some paint to start with, and then one of the requirements is something with a bumpy surface. So I've glued on these pieces here. These are Stamperia molds, and you make them using their Stamperia cream paste and the actual mold, and then they're very flexible and you can cut and tear them. And that's my bumpy surface, so that's one thing that I've done. Let me mark that off. Something with a bumpy surface, yes. I've got a playing card, which is also one of the requirements here, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. And I also have, I need to do some stamping because it's something that splashes. And the only thing I could think of was, in this stamp set here, I have some ink and ink splashes, so I thought I might do some stamping on here. I've chopped this stamp up, so I have to just find the bit where the ink well is. Oh, there it is, down there. As I chopped it up so I could use it in pieces. I've got some archival ink, just some Jet Black Ranger archival. Unfortunately, the stamp doesn't like that wet paint, so I'm going to have to re-stamp that, I think. So there you go, I've done what I needed to do. I've got a playing card, a group of 3. Well, I've got the buttons, they can be my group of 3. Something with a bumpy surface is the this stuff. Something that splashes. I had an ink bottle down here that I stamped, but it didn't work, so I'm going to take the paint as something that splashes. And buttons, real or drawn, they're up here. And I've got a bonus because I've used a person or people. This is Deborah, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.